Hello, welcome to Cars with Haynes. This is our Kia Ceed 1.6 GT finished in white. Cracking little car these are. It's a bit windy today, so you have to excuse the camera. As you can see, the wheels are finished in like a grey anthracite, I would say. It's a really nice car, this. So where we are here, flies seem to just sit on the cars. Got some fields nearby, and they just do sit on it. Oddly. Anyway, that's the boot. Real sporty looking thing, these. Quite rare. There's not many of them around. You don't see that many of them, so it's a little bit different. I think they're a 1.6, and. They're a sporty little thing, and with Kias as well, as you know, they are always really well spec'd. You got these sports seats here with the GT logo on. All the usual heated seats, and got a heated steering wheel. It has cruise control, maps, navigation. Just a cool car. It's a lot of car for 10 grand. It's a lot of car. We do take part exchanges. We offer finance. If you go to www.carterandhaynes.co.uk or give us a call on 01244 570 814. Thanks for looking.